Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Silvercrest vacuum sealer for airtight and watertight food storage which preserves flavor. Includes 3 meters of vacuum sealer roll, wet function, soft function, marinating function, 160 watt and 3 years warranty. We've got an elegant stainless steel design, additional storage compartment for roll or box and accessories. All that we're gonna find out together, and of course I will show you how you can use it. Right in the corner in the end of this video you can check the oldest model. The other model, it is not with a stainless steel design, it is only a plastic, but it's an amazing device. You can check on that and maybe you like it and buy that model because it is cheaper. This, it cost about 50 euros. The oldest model, it cost only 30 euros. Well, nice of that. Let's open to see what we have inside and start using it. Of course, we've got the manual as usual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Nice, I like this metal finish. Beautiful. Now let's see one by one. We've got the on-off button, we've got the sealing button, the sealing and vacuum button, the wet function button for moist foods, the soft function button for delicate foods, the button for connection for vacuum sealing food storage containers and bags with a vacuum valve, the marinating function button for quicker marinating time, and the stop button for stopping all the process with all the other buttons that you are using. We've got a built-in foil cutter to easily prepare bags. By pulling these two plastics, we've got the storage area. There we've got and the 3 meters of bag. The accessories for vacuuming food storage containers and bags with a vacuum valve. And there we've got and these 2 tubes for vacuum. Other adapters. And inside we've got this replaceable. You need to replace it at the front, nothing else. Everything are very tight. You can see we've got the right position for all these parts. Storage very well. And at the front we've got this soft pad. It is replaceable. You can replace it after use it for a long time with this one. We've got 2 inside, perfect, or this one. And of course we've got this removable trip tray for liquids suitable for dishwashers. Nice, you can remove it, wash it, perfect. Let's reinstall again that. It is very important. It will vacuum better the air and then seal it. This is the seal it area. It's getting hotter and that's how you can seal the bag. And we've got, of course, in this rubber. And as we are pressing with our 2 fingers, it locks. We've got 1 plastic here and 1 plastic here. Just press and unlock. Press lock, press and unlock. Perfect. And at the back, we've got this practical storage compartment for the cable. Cable, it is about 1.5 meters, very convenient, definitely it will help you. You can put it at this position. And of course we've got rubbers at the base for fit rubbers, prevent any movement as is working. Perfect. Now let's plug it in. And we have seen indicator lights for monitor the vacuum and sealing process at all buttons. Great. And of course you can use it in many ingredients that you can preserve and store it for a long time from your kitchen, such as meat, fish, vegetable, fruits, legumes like rice and more. Now, before starting, let's open the storage compartment. You can insert the bag here, close, and by just sliding, that was all, you've got a straight cut of your bag. Very helpful. Now let's do it again. Lock, slide, and there you've got a piece. Perfect. We will need some of these bags. Nice, I like it. Very convenient. Perfect. Now, for sealing the one side of the bag, you need that. Of course, you can cut it in a smaller piece if you want. That's very easy. If you want to cut it at half, let's say here, and again you can close, cut, and there you've got two small bags if you want, and at all time turn on. You can insert that here. This is the heating element. Press, it locks, and then you need only to heat up. We've got the red LED, as you can see, and it's ready. Very easy, and there you've got a very well heated bag, sealed very well. And again, you can do and from this side, lock, press, it doesn't take no more than 4 seconds. Open, and everything is sealed, and only at this side it is open, just to insert our ingredients and preserve our food. In this case, I've got this rice. Let's see how it works. Perfect. It is your choice how much you want to insert, smaller, bigger bag, you can do that. You need to insert it at this position. Needs to be this end of the bag at this lid inside. Press locks, and now we need seal it and vacuum. Instantly! Wow! Sealing now, you can see, you can check all the process. We've got the red lights, off all the lights, it is ready. Nice. Like a stone. Not even a small bubble of air inside of this bag. Seal it very well, vacuuming and seal it very well. Nice, I like it. And of course we can use a bigger bag. The same process, you need to seal this bag, press, lock, seal. No more than 4 seconds to do the sealing process. The red LED will turn off, open, seal it very well. And I've got these lentils, yeah, preserve the legumes. Now let's see. Okay, great. Now let's open that. Insert, as I said, inside here, because it needs to be vacuum. The air is sucking, it is from these two holes, and is sealing with this soft rubber, and then sucking the air. And of course seal it. Look, and we need again, sucking all the air. Oh my god, it's like a stone. sealing. I like that you can see all the process with LEDs. You know what is going on. And oh yeah, nice, I like it. Perfect. Now next, again, let's do a sealing bag. Same process. Perfect. Now I've got this sliced turkey. It is a soft food. Okay. Perfect. That's why I will use the soft button and with a vacuum and sealing. Less time for vacuuming the air because we've got a sensitive product here, and seal it. Nice. I like it. Preserving this food at your refrigerator. Perfect. Now next at this bag we've got this sauce for cooking, you can see it, and because it is wet we need to use the wet function. Again, same process, goes here. That's why we've got this lid. Maybe any moisture, any liquid will go inside and protect all the unit. Wet, and of course if you want you can use the wet and the soft and then press the sealing button. Just use only the wet and then vacuum and sealing. And you can see the liquids, stop. You can see the liquids are going at the tray. There we go. That's how protect all the unit. Perfect. Now I will use, that's why, the wet, soft and then sealing. Is taking only a small amount of air from the bag and then sealing all the bag. Finish it. We've got some liquids, but no problem. You see, it is perfectly sealed. As much I am pressing, yep. It is very good sealed, no problem. No liquids will come out, definitely. Great. Now I would like to use these frozen peas. Okay. Process is the same. Vacuum and sealing. Nice. Seal it very well, as you can see. Wow. You can preserve your frozen food at low temperature at your refrigerator. So many things, so many stuff that you can have at your refrigerator without air. Perfect. And I have in this vegetable meatballs. It's frozen. Same process. Perfect. Seal it very well. I like it. Wow. Now I would like to use the Marinade function for a quicker marinating time. Of course you need to have your all ingredients inside with fresh meat or fresh chicken, it is your choice. Lock. And as you can see, the marinating process is flashing the button. It's not going to seal the bag or a container because it needs to do the marinating process quicker without having air at the bag or the container. And that it will keep doing about 15 minutes, the whole process. It will start again vacuum, stops, and start again vacuum for 15 minutes. And that's how you can do your marinating process faster. Well, let's stop that. And of course I can use the manual process for vacuum and sealing the bag. Here we've got a coffee, doesn't matter what ingredients we've got at the bag. Of course we can preserve and coffee for a long time. Seal it, press this button, is removing the air, stop, at all time you can stop and then just use the sealing button. If you want to remove this amount of air from the bag by yourself, manual. If that is a liquid inside or other ingredients, you can do by yourself, manual. And then just pressing the sealing button, it will seal the bag with this amount of air. Remove it from the bag by yourself. You can do in that manual. You don't have to use the automatic vacuum and sealing button. And you can seal it very well. Perfect. Now let's try these vacuum tubes with this adapter. You can use this adapter or one of this adapter. It depends what kind of valve you've got at the bag or your container. Now I don't have at this time a container or a bag to use, but let's connect that. You can connect it at this hole at this side. It doesn't matter which, it is the same. Just press connect and then you can connect that adapter or that, it is your choice how it is your bag. Let's connect that. Connect to the container with a valve or a bag with a valve, pressing this button, and it will start all the process sucking the air from the container with a valve or a bag with a valve. Very easy. Well guys, that was all about this vacuum sealer. If that is a liquid, meat, fish, frozen food, vegetables and more, definitely you will find the right ingredients, the right product and use this vacuum sealer. It's doing an amazing job, I like it. I like this metallic finish around. It gives a great touch to the whole construction, the buttons with the LEDs, and at all time you know what it's doing. The cutter for the bag, it is amazing. You can cut at your own dimensions the bag and use it. And it costs only 50 euros. And if you need that kind of product at your home, preserve your food for a long time, storage your food, definitely it is a great idea and just buy it. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, it takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.